This is the elevator at the KeyBank building in Canfield, Ohio. This is a Canton elevator firm with JLWB fixtures. It's a Millar elevator. I feel like Canton has something in this basement up here. This is here we go. A Millar elevator GAL. It's a hydraulic new install. That is very weird. Here's the basement. Essentially, it calls a Schindler GAL. And it's spooky basement stuff unfinished, just for storage. The two, which works, but it's burned out here though. Interesting start. Here are two. Right on the one door wasn't hit button that time. Hey, phone. That's definitely got it from Schindler install. It's a basic configuring cab tile floor. Here I got one. Interesting. Elevator right there. Kind of an interesting elevator. This building looks like it's from like the late 90s or early 2000s.